You guys, Ray ate a can of black olives for breakfast this morning. So I think it's safe to say that we need to get somewhere with a grocery store like as soon as possible. We were planning on doing like a big reprovisioning haul in Georgetown, but the wind seems to have other plans for us. So we are underway right now and we're heading back up to Black Point. Hopefully we'll be able to pick up a few things there that'll get us through until the wind clocks back around and we're able to comfortably head south again. That's amazing. Let's go check the anchor. Good to go. Right, all mine. First stop of the day is getting rid of all of our trash. I had a flip-flop blowout. My engineer over here did a quick inventory of his backpack and found a hair tie, so this is the situation we've got going on. So far, so good.
It flops instead of flips. Though.
Oh ho ho!
We just need to get some rum.
Much better than black olives, huh? Stop it, I'm getting him back?
Thank God for water makers.
Well, if you're doing that, maybe I'll go scrape the holes.